In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an embodied code in Odoo. If you have an embedded code element on your Odoo website that you no longer need, the good news is that removing it is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change quickly and save it properly. To begin, go to the home page in your Odoo dashboard. This is your starting point, and from here you'll be able to access the website builder tools. If you're already logged in, you should see the main Odoo apps and navigation options available to you. Next, click on Website. This opens your site management area where you can view and edit the content that appears on your live website. If your goal is to remove something that was embedded onto a page, this is the section you'll need to work in. Once the website loads, click on Edit. This puts the page into editing mode. In Odoo, editing mode allows you to directly interact with website elements on the page, including text blocks, images, buttons, and embedded code sections. Make sure you're on the correct page before making changes, especially if your website has multiple pages with similar layouts. After that, click on the embed code you want to remove. This step is important because Odoo needs you to select the exact element before you can delete it. When the embedded block is selected, you'll usually see editing controls or options appear around it. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct item so you don't accidentally remove the wrong section. Now, click on the trash icon or use delete if that option appears. This removes the embedded code block from the page layout. If the code was displaying a video, widget, form, or external content, that content should disappear from the page as soon as the block is deleted in the editor. Finally, click Save. This is the step that actually applies your change to the website. If you skip saving, the embedded code may still remain on the live page. So make sure you complete this last action before leaving the editor. And that's it. You've successfully removed an embedded code block in Odoo. As a quick tip, after saving, it's a good idea to preview the page or refresh it once to confirm everything looks the way you want. This helps you catch any spacing issues or layout changes caused by removing the element.